Things you need to know about broilers birds or broilers farming. Broilers farming is similar to any goal crushing venture. You start by having a goal, a target, a final weight in mind. Then you determine the things that you need to do to achieve the goal. You need the breed, the feed, the space, the management, the time it will take. Once this is done, you begin knowing that you have access to some medication to combat common disease. While safety is the golden rule of business, attention is the best thing you can give your broiler's bird. Not just feed, warmth, and all of that. And if anything finishes in your broiler's house, make sure it is not water. Finally, don't for once think that broiler needs too much of it. What they need is just a little bit of warmth for a few days. So make sure the structure you have can expose them to maximum ventilation after a few days. Trust me, they will manage a cold weather better than their chance of surviving in extreme heat. So that is what you need to know about broilers farming. I hope this helps a lot. Don't forget to subscribe to the Text Farm channel. Bye.